We've got a hot little 1963 Chevy 2, or a lot of people, including myself, refer to it as a Nova. Reportedly, there was $135,000 spent restoring this car. It was done at a professional shop. It has custom chassis work done, has Italian leather. I can smell the leather just standing next to the car. A high-performance small block, a 4-speed, a Fab 9 rear end. Beautifully done car. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can find the price tag on this one and 200 other classic cars, all for sale, and they will each have a monthly finance option as well. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I actually went on their Facebook page and found pictures of the restoration of this car. It was done around 2012 at a professional shop. This is all laser beam straight, fits real nicely. All the way down the car is straight. No emblems. It was all removed and filled for a nice clean look. All lines up square and flush. There is one hairline crack right here, about an inch long. Just looks like a hair laying there. The roof is all straight, clean. See how the door opens. Oh, button pushes in very easily. Oh yeah, shuts nice. All clean lines, straight, fits right. All looking really good, straight, professional body work. It's like a copper orange metallic. You can see the metal flake all laid out evenly. There's no blotchy or cloudy areas. The light hits the curves and it just kind of lights up. I can see different highlights coming alive in the paint. And then he has a clear coat that's buffed just like glass. Really, really a slick paint job. Honestly, that crack was the only flaw that I have found or seen. Here's a little tiny scratch from someone getting in. Left a little tiny scratch. Here's a little chip, a decent chip at the front edge of the door. It's touched up. I didn't even notice it. And there's a fly on the hood. So yeah, gorgeous paint and trim. All the chrome and trim was replaced or restored. It was a few years ago. There are some speckles on the bumper right now. All the grille looks really good. All this trim was replaced or polished. There's some dents on this trim. Someone might have reattached it and left some little dents. The vent window frame's original, so it's shiny and it looks good. The top of this just has the light scratches just from rubbing and touching it. Handles look new. This is all shiny. All the glass is new. It has a really light tint built right into it. Kind of cool. The window right here says Chevrolet. I've never seen aftermarket glass or any glass that actually says Chevrolet right on it. Looks like the gaskets were replaced. Back bumper, tail lights, emblem, all replaced, all looking good. Got a great looking set of wheels. They're Budnick wheels, 17s and 18s in back, wrapped in Yokohama performance tires. They must be fairly recent because the pictures from 2012, they had different wheels on it. It has a Chevy bow tie mirror. So really good looking outside. Oh, I just caught a whiff of the leather again. Let me show you the inside. All right, I'm going to show you a beautiful trunk compartment. Look at the underside. It's painted as slick as the car, and the latch and the hardware and the trim and the weather strip all looks like new. And then the inside, I love it when it's all boxed and upholstered, matches the interior, nice carpet. This lifts right out. That's where you fill the gas. I peeked behind the panel. That's where the battery is. There's a master disconnect switch. There's also stereo equipment back there, stereo equipment. Beautiful trunk. Wait till you see the interior though. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way you get notified when the videos are posted if you click the bell icon. Visit volocars.com where you can see all of our inventory with pictures, descriptions. So the jambs were all painted. The whole car was apart when it was painted, even up by the hinges. And then the inside is painted real nice, the tops of the doors and the dash. Beautiful custom door panels with speakers built in. Nice set of matching gauges. It was about 2,300 miles on the odometer. Like I was saying earlier, everything is painted real slick. All the knobs look real nice. It has these oval interior lights throughout the car. I think there's 5 of them inside. Look at the custom kick panel. Beautiful carpet with the bound edges. They made the center console Bluetooth stereo. There's speakers in the doors and in the back. There's the shop that did the interior. Probably go on their Facebook and find pictures of the car too. Real nice 4-speed shifter, a nice billet handle with a leather boot. The seats are amazing. Again, I smell leather in here. They say it's Italian leather with French stitching. The sides of the seat, the whole thing's wrapped in leather. Very comfortable. They are reclining seats. Then the back seat's done to match. It has the nice contour. It's not just a flat seat with upholstery. This is all contoured real nicely. The side panels, the door panels are a work of art. And then the speaker shelf in back is also custom made. Beautiful custom headliner. It's done in a cloth. The nice insert, dome light. We have an oval mirror, matches the lights. And then we have a nice custom wheel and a tilt column. It's got a button on the end of the turn signal. Not sure what that's for. Oh, and the whole interior is, and the trunk was wrapped, or they put down the sound deadener. All new wiring harness, has an updated fuse block with the push-in fuses. Interior is amazing. Oh, I don't want to get out. Maybe tomorrow I'll just do my work sitting in this car. So I was told 500 horsepower here. It is a strong running motor. It's a bored 350, so it's a 355. Aluminum Edelbrock, 750 Holley dual feed carburetor. Has a nice fuel system from front to the back. MSD ignition system. Set of headers. Some nice trick flow aluminum valve covers. And if you notice right here, it says Chassis Works. That's who the chassis is from. When you change the chassis, you get different inner fenders. So it's completely custom inner fenders. And then these tubular supports, that's right from the frame to the firewall. That does stiffen the front end from twisting and flexing. Makes the car handle a lot better. Front of the motor does have a serpentine belt system. Aluminum pulleys, aluminum one-wire alternator. Keeps cool with an aluminum radiator, overflow bottle, dressed up nice with stainless upper and lower hoses. Does have power brakes with the dual reservoir. Has a master cylinder there, that's for the hydraulic clutch. Flaming River steering components. And the whole engine bay is painted up real nicely, including under the hood. So Michael's going to take you and show you what she's got.
All right, everybody, absolutely beautiful day. Time to go for a cruise. Today we got the 1963 Chevy Nova. This thing's absolutely sweet. 355 under the hood, 4-speed manual. Got a custom chassis on it. Seems to be set up nicely. Handling the bumps well. Steering well. Got the Fab 9 locker rear end. 364 gears. This interior, I can't get over this interior. Absolute glove soft, supple leather. I mean, you can feel how soft the leather is through my jeans. It's fantastic. You're absolutely gonna love it. They're super comfortable and great looking car too. I tell you, it's a professional build on here, and it's apparent everywhere you look. Beautiful dash, matches the exterior perfectly. But right now, let's see what she's got. Just like that, up to speed, no problem. And this thing, not only is it a looker, but this car is fast too. Absolutely loving the way this is set up here. Great car overall. Did you show them the headliner here even? I don't know if you can get there. But just the details everywhere. It's got four-wheel disc brakes on it. I mean, everything's done right on this car. And it runs great, drives great. Really exciting car. Only about 2,330 miles since the build was complete here, showing on the odometer. Oil pressure sitting pretty. Let's see, it's not real hot yet. All the gauges appear to be working. Great car. No power steering on this one, so just be aware of that. It's still easy to handle. Tilt column as well. Definitely wanted to mention that. So yeah, you can come test drive it yourself. Just contact us, talk to Joey or Eric in the sales department. They can arrange a test drive for you. I'd highly recommend it because it's a heck of a lot of fun. Check out all the pictures, details, and description on volocars.com.
Well, that shuts nice too. So underneath has a lot going on. That chassis works. That's their front clip under there. They actually cut off the front clip of the original Nova and attached the front subframe as independent suspension with tubular control arms. QA1 coil-over adjustable gas shocks. Has a rack and pinion steering. Now connecting the front to the back, there's welded in frame connectors. Again, keeping the car from twisting, makes it handle so much better. In back, it has new leaf springs, QA1 adjustable gas shocks, and traction bars. So this thing's really gonna handle great, gonna keep you in a straight line. Willwood disc brakes, all four wheels. They are slotted discs up in front. They're good sized discs. Does have a custom emergency brake assembly. Handmade, hand fabricated stainless exhaust. There's pictures on their Facebook of that, piece by piece. They did a great job. It's all welded. MagnaFlow mufflers. Has the tips that are just, everything's tucked up. They just turn down tips right there. Very neatly done. There is a fuel tank, like a fuel cell underneath that floorboard. All custom from front to back. There's a fuel pump, braided hoses, fuel regulators. The whole system is custom. You look up at the motor, it's an anodized oil pan, high torque starter. There's a heavy duty scatter shield. And inside of that, we actually just cut the flywheel, put in a new clutch, and the hydraulic throw-up bearing, I think it is. So the clutch assembly is new. It's a Super T10 4-speed trans, all clean and fresh. The Hurst linkage looks fresh. Custom drive shaft. Goes back to a Fab 9, which stands for fabricated 9-inch. Really cool heavy-duty rear end in the car with 364 locker gears. The floors under the car are clean, dry, smooth metal, all painted black. So I think this is one heck of a car. You're not paying anywhere near what it costs to build, and that was 12 years ago. And it still looks amazing today. I love that interior especially. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can reach out to the salesman. They'd be happy to help you. They can get this delivered to your door. They can get you financing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.